Hello, this is Don Meyer with Plumbing Solutions. And what we have here is a tankless water heater. This is a training module we keep in our shop. This is about tankless maintenance. We install and maintain many different models. I have with me Brian Cifuentes, our lead service tech, to also talk about these. We check the igniters, we check the filter inside, the fan, and the burner. Also, if the water is a certain level of hardness, we use a descaling system to actually descale the inside heat exchanger, where we attach these hoses and let this chemical treatment clean out the heat exchanger inside. Brian, you want to explain a little more in detail what we do?
So when we do the maintenance on the tankless, what we look for is the igniter, the flame sensor, to make sure they are clean. This way there is no chance of failing ignition. We check for the burner assembly and the fan behind it to make sure there are no bugs stuck in there or any debris that might have gotten into the heater. There is a screen on the water inlet. We check for any debris in there as well, make sure nothing clogs the water lines and everything stays clean inside.
We install and maintain many brands of tankless water heaters. I'm Don Meyer with Plumbing Solutions for all your plumbing needs.